right, so we've got our two layers of our blue and our pink, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half. Now, I do it with my fancy Ag-Bay cutter, which is my favorite tool in the whole kitchen. You measure where you want to cut it, and then you just bring it across. So I'm going to get down here level with it, and I'm going to cut this, looks to be about 1.5 inches, and you line up both sides. This is a pricey item, and I had to save up to get this, but boy, once I got it, I was really happy because it's a great little piece. So I'm going to cut one first, and you just do like this, and it slices it perfectly even. And then I'm going to take the other one and cut it like that. All right. So now we have our two sections of cake. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take cutters. These are circle cutters. And I'm going to do, I think 3. I'm going to look and see what I'm going to do 2 cuts like this. So I'm going to take my cutter on the first layer, and I'm going to push it all the way down and cut that out. And I'm going to do that on all 3 layers. I mean all 4 layers, sorry. Like that. And like that. And like that. All right. And then I'm going to take the next a couple smaller. I want to have three pretty even sections. I actually may even go one smaller than that. Get that one right there. That's the size. Perfect. Kind of eyeball it. I'm going to cut that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. All right. Now I'm going to take out my centers gently. So you don't want them to tear. And I'm going to take out these, and I'm going to switch them like that. I'm going to put that center back in. I'm going to put that one in here, put that center back in. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Put that there, put my pink center back in, and put the pink there, and put my blue center back in. Now I'm going to put a little filling in between, like this. I'm going with a chocolate ganache, but you can put whatever you want in the center. And since I started with a pink outside layer, the next layer is going to be a blue. So I didn't cut these quite even. You can see this is a tall tier and a thin tier. So I'm going to start with a thick tier and go to a thin tier. Gently put that on there, like that. Add more filling again, like this. Put this one on. And then do the last one, like that. And then when you cut it, you're going to have a pink and blue checkerboard pattern. And people are blown away. It's the simplest little thing, and people just cannot believe how you did it. And you saw how easy it was. It's a piece of cake, literally. All right, and I'm going to put that one back on. And there we have it, our little checkerboard. All right, so now that I've showed you how to make the checkerboard, you got to see what it looks like on the inside, because that's the fun part. So I'm going to cut a piece for you, and then you guys can see what it looks like, and you too can impress your friends. All right, slide that baby out, and there you go. How pretty is that? Isn't that fun? And that's how you make a checkerboard cake.